So, ladies and gentlemen, we are around just 1 week after the grand tour of Luo Nyanza that climaxed into Madaraka Day celebration in Raila Odinga Stadium in Homa Bay, where Luos spent over 24 hours in the stadium just to see planes flying, nice vehicles, good ceremony, and then we're asking ourselves, now what? The main question is, now what? So what's the aftermath after this visit? The following is taking place. Like I told you, Raila donated land which does not belong to him but belongs to the community. And now community has come out to agree with me that I was right. And now they are saying they need their land back. Raila should take the company called Molasses Plant and go with, because the auction was about Molasses Plant, not the land. So those who are shouting at me, now that has been taken by event, is true. The second thing is that what has happened is that now we have seen all the leaders from Luo Nyanza went to State House last week on Thursday to receive their envelopes, the so-called brown envelopes. You could see they were well suited. They were given very big envelopes. They are very happy. But what's happening? The people of Luo Nyanza have remained with one but promises. Things will be good. They have also been told to shout Kumi Bila Break. So the vision for Luo Nyanza now is Kumi Bila Break. You must know Luo Nation has always had a dream of having a president from Luo Nyanza, but now they have a vision called Kumi Bila Break. With no strategy after that Kumi Bila Break, what happens? Because after this Kumi Bila Break, you can't say Raila Odinga is running, because actually he said he has retired from politics. Now the problem is, what happened to the promises that they were given? I can tell you, affordable housing was a sham. You'll see nothing. How many people have been employed by affordable housing? Nothing. Go to the houses that are launched in Kisumu. Those ones were just but commercial houses done by a lab fund. So what we are saying to say is the conmanship that has been done by William Ruto to Mount Kenya people has now been transferred and uprooted directly to Luo Nyanza. Just like Ruto dumped Mount Kenya after standing with him to win the election, Luos will also just be dumped the same way after he wins the election with them in 2027. So my question is, Luos don't be used. Luos are wise people. They are very intelligent people. We cannot be taken for granted. So reject that narrative called Kumi Bila Break and ask for development. And you don't need to do anything to get development. You are paying taxes. Get development based on the taxes that you are paying. Don't beg. Don't go to State House. Me, I can never go, and I will never go, because I'm a Kenyan. I'm paying taxes. I expect services. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Luo Nyanza, and God bless Kenya.